Hi coffee beans! How's it brewing? Today's video is going to hopefully be a relaxing one. I don't know about you guys, but I've been seeing ads on my Instagram feed for diamond art paintings. I've been intrigued for a long time, but they've always been way too expensive for something I wasn't sure I'd like or not. Well, one of the ads was from Diamond Art House, which advertised that they were going out of business and that all of their paintings were free, but all you'd pay was shipping. So I said, alright, why not? I scrolled through a lot of their art and decided on this amazing rainbow kitty. I was all set with that one until I saw this obvious Pokemon artwork. It's titled Pup Reflections, but it's clearly a Kanto Vulpix and a Alolan Vulpix, which is my husband's favorite Pokemon, so I had to get it. I was skeptical from the moment I clicked on the link until I got the package in the mail. But despite the delivery taking forever, it was actually everything they claimed. I only paid shipping and nothing more, and I got what I ordered, not cheap ripoffs. Before I got started, I watched a fabulous tips and tricks video that really helped me prepare for this project. I highly recommend Studio Sam's Top 10 Tips video. I'll put the link in the description. In the package, I got this green bead tray to hold the gems, and this pink gem tool. It's hollow at the top. The idea is you stick this end into the included red wax, and that helps to pick up the gems. But Studio Sam recommended sticky tack, so that's what I'll be using. For today, I'll be working on the Vulpix painting. Alright, enough talking. Just sit back, enjoy the music, and watch this painting come to life. Because this painting has a sticky border, I wanted to put it in a nice frame. But I'm stuck at home during quarantine, so I made a simple cardstock mat instead. Luckily, I had some watercolor paper on hand. I measured the height and width of the diamond portion of the painting. In this case, it's 19.75 centimeters long by 15 centimeters wide. Then I made the appropriate marks on my paper. I want the mat to be about an inch in width, so I marked an inch in from all the edges, and then connected the dots. Then, using a sharp X-Acto knife, I cut out along the lines, and it's a perfect mat. Then I just pressed it lightly onto my painting right onto the sticky edge. And finally, I cut off the extra fabric. And surprise! I did the rainbow cap too! This one was more of a practice run, but I love the colors. What do you guys think? Have you ever done a diamond painting before? It's so addicting! I've been telling everyone about it. I'd love to see anything you've created, and especially if it's a diamond art painting like this. Use hashtag BunnieDIY on Instagram so I can see your art and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe by clicking that little bell so you don't miss any future videos. I post every Monday. Thanks everyone! I sincerely hope you are all still staying safe and healthy. Love you a latte!